New York City is facing a crisis of historic proportions. For nearly 2 weeks, an Arctic blast has gripped the 5 boroughs, with temperatures plummeting to levels not seen in decades. As the harbor freezes and ships carrying essential fuel are blocked by ice floes, millions of New Yorkers are left wondering, how did we get here? But amidst the record-breaking cold, a $38.4 million announcement from Mayor Zohran Mamdani is sending shockwaves through the city. It's a bold gamble to reinvent public housing at Beach 41st Street. Is this the miracle an NYCHA residents have been praying for, or just another political promise? Today we're breaking down the plan that could end the era of the radiator forever. So what is the $38 million solution? It's called the Clean Heat for All Challenge. The plan is to install 712 state-of-the-art electric heat pumps. Now, if you're thinking these are just fancy space heaters, think again. These are high-tech, dual-purpose systems. In the winter, they pull heat from the outside air, even in freezing temperatures, to warm the apartment. In the summer, they reverse the process to provide efficient cooling. This is a game-changer for seniors who have suffered through suffocating July afternoons without AC. This technology cuts carbon emissions by 4,000 tons annually. That's like taking 860 cars off the road. But the real headline: energy savings of up to 75%, putting nearly $1,000 back into the pockets of families struggling with skyrocketing utility costs. But this story isn't just about pipes and pumps, it's about power and perception. During the press conference, a bizarre twist emerged. Viral AI-generated images of Mayor Mamdani and his mother began circulating online, attempting to link him to disgraced financier Jeffrey Epstein. It's a stark reminder of the era we live in. While the mayor is fighting to fix the physical infrastructure of the city, he's also fighting a digital war against deepfakes and misinformation. He called for a regulatory system for AI, noting that a lie can spread across the world before the truth even puts its boots on. This raises a bigger question. Can we achieve a Green New Deal for housing when the digital landscape is designed to distract and divide us? NYC's experiment is being watched by cities across the globe. NYCHA is the largest public housing authority in the country, and their purchasing power created a new market for these custom window-based heat pumps. If this works at Beach 41st Street, it could be the blueprint for all 10,000 apartments the city wants to transform by 2030. But with an $80 billion capital deficit hanging over NYCHA and a federal government that has historically disinvested in public housing, the road ahead is steep. The mayor is promising a new era of dignity, but for the residents who have seen politicians come and go, seeing is believing. The ice in the harbor will eventually melt, but the decisions made today will impact New Yorkers for generations. Is clean energy the ultimate path to affordability, or is the cost of transition too high? We want to hear from you. Is your city investing in technology like this? Does the $38 million investment feel like enough for 700 families? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this deep dive helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We're tracking the future of our cities, one story at a time. Thanks for watching.